Yo, what is good YouTube? It's your boy Ackoolin. In today's video we're gonna react to Phone Service Provider by Lennar Young, man. So we're gonna react to it. We're gonna see that whole gets that AC approval or not, you feel me? And we're gonna see that whole pops and not you did. So let's get it through it, man. No more talking. And 3, 2, 1, eat. Alright, so let's get this shit popping.
What's up, man? What's up? You gotta be Verizon. You gotta be Verizon, man. Too quick. Yep, that's me. Verizon, the fastest speed anybody can get. But you pretty fast yourself, though. You pretty fast yourself, AT&T. Pretty fast.
I was about to say AT&T, yeah.
I ain't too fast. I'm up there, you know. I ain't up there with you, though. Sound like
T-Mobile, man. I'm repping T-Mobile, dog. Come on, T-Mobile, dog. Where you at?
Who that? I don't know, bro. I was about to ask you that. What's your name, man?
Don't say cricket.
T.
Yeah.
Bro, that's T-Mobile, man. It's T-Mobile.
Hey, we live. We live.
Slow as hell. Should've known. Mom.
T-Mode. You feel me? T-Mode.
Bro. It's crazy how we be slowing down our connection on purpose. Just to mess with our consumers.
I ain't gonna lie, that should be a little slow, but
really,
you know, we still alright.
That junk is crazy. Like, they really be doing that junk is crazy. That junk kinda sad. Look at him. It gotta be done, man. It gotta be done. Let me go mess up Lennar Wi-Fi real quick. Hold on, don't do that, man. Don't do that, man, like that. Gosh, man, dang, bro. What, Verizon, bro? What's up? Verizon, what is up with the internet, bro? Put it back, bro. Put it back, man.
Bro, yo, they on it.
The internet, bro. My LTE not even working, man. Yeah. Let me turn it back on. Let me turn it back on before we call Verizon. Turn it back on before we call Verizon. Now that junk gonna work. Now I'm gonna work. Alright. Alright. You know what? That's crazy. Now I'm gonna work. Oh. What was that? What was that? Bro, what was that? What was that?
Oh shit.
Bro, what is going on, bro? What is this? What provider is this?
That gotta be Boost.
That gotta be Sprint, because that service is non-existent.
Nah, that's Boost.
The glitch right now, yeah, that gotta be Sprint. That has to be Sprint. You lagging, bro. You lagging. This is really, this really sucks. Yeah, we can't hear a word you're saying right now. Can y'all hear me now? Alright, bro, we can hear you now, man. Thank God. What's up, man? Alright, man. I'm out, bro. I'm out. I can't.
Yeah, I fuck with this shit, man. Hey, man, T-Mobile, we live, but I gotta admit, T-Mobile be hauling when there's no connection, bro. Like, that hoe be hauling as fuck, bro. Them niggas be hauling, bro. Like, when there's no connection, bro, you can't do shit with your shit, bro. You gotta have Wi-Fi. If you don't got Wi-Fi, then you're lost, man. You feel me? If you lost, you stranded, dog. But I fuck with this vid, you know what I'm saying? T-Mobile getting right here, you feel me? This whole gets that AC approval, dog. Hopefully y'all fuck with it. And your boy AC out.